This is Jonathan from Rupert Neve Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and use your new 5045 primary source enhancer. The 5045 uses an outboard plus 12 volt power supply that is designed specifically for the unit. We strongly recommend only using the one that is included. Turn on the power switch on the rear panel and you will see the red power LED light up. Typically, you will connect the 5045 on a console insert sender return or between a mic preamp and the console. You will need 2 pairs of XLR cables, depending on your console or mic preamp. Connect the female end to the console output and the male end to the input of the 5045. Then repeat for the second channel. Now connect the output of the 5045 to the mixer or other line gear. The 5045 will accept up to plus 25 dBu at its inputs. We suggest that you insert the 5045 right after the mic preamp and before additional processing. The 5045 typically works better on individual mic channels rather than groups or buses. After adjusting the correct gain on the mic preamp, try setting the 5045 time constant to B or C. These are far and away the most popular settings. A represents the fastest setting and F the slowest. Set the depth control to about 10 o'clock and the threshold to 9 o'clock as a starting point. There are 2 detection modes, peak and RMS, with the peak mode releasing faster. The RMS setting will release more slowly and produce smoother results. Now, with the 5045 disengaged, increase the gain on your preamp and/or have the performer move around until ringing or feedback occurs. Then engage the 5045 with the process in switch. You can fine-tune the time constants, the threshold, and depth until an incredibly transparent signal is achieved. Bypass the 5045 to highlight the improvement in clarity and reduction in feedback. Once the 5045 is set, you can now adjust the console fader settings as needed. Occasional small adjustments in the 5045 threshold may be needed with varying performer volumes. Use the lowest threshold setting possible to control feedback. A key thing to watch for is the process active LED that should always be lit when the person is talking or singing, and the LED should only dim after they stop performing. Adjust the threshold accordingly. If you are experiencing any hum from interfacing the 5045, you can try the rear panel ground lift switch. If the ground lift makes no difference, then leave it grounded and explore other options like isolating the noisy gear. The 545 uses the same circuit design as the 5045 with a simplified control section. It's great for achieving a high density of primary source enhancer channels. The fast and slow settings correspond to the B and C time constants in the 5045. The rest of the controls, depth and threshold, work the same way as they do on the 5045. Now it's time to enjoy your new 5045 and 545 primary source enhancers and be feedback free. If you have any questions or you want to learn more about any of our gear, please go to rupertneve.com for more information. Thanks!